everyone, and right now we are going to be installing the Radeon HD 5450 graphics card into my Dell Inspiron 530 computer. Now my computer is a little bit older than the newer ones that are coming out today, but we can see that it has nice white sides. So let's go ahead and undo these screws here so we can get inside. Now we are on a carpet surface here. I really had no other option. So as we take the cover off, we're going to want to make sure that we keep contact with the metal of the siding here while we do our upgrade. So we do have our graphics card right here. Now that I have a screwdriver here, we can go ahead and remove this screw from the panel here. And that will allow us to pop off this and allow us to remove our cover here. And now that we've done that, we are going to want to make sure we are touching something metal like this cover here. And we are going to take out our graphics card. I'm going to remove this hard drive power connector here, just to get it out of the way. And now that it's in its slot, we will return these covers. And now that the card is back in its slot, I will move my Wi-Fi antenna back to where it goes and put this cover back on. And now we put the door back on the side and put the screws back in. And if you plan on doing this yourself, especially if you're doing it on a carpet, you can consider buying an anti-static wristband. And now we will put my computer back into its cabinet and reconnect all the cables. Now, if you were installing a graphics card yourself, at this time you would want to go get the drivers for that graphics card, either from the website or from a CD that came in the box. Now that's just about it for this installation video of my Radeon HD 5450. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please see my channel. Thanks for watching, bye.